In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a transparent text and a outlined text in Affinity 3. So for my transparent text, I have a text layer here and a rectangle behind it, and I want to see my background through my text and keep the rectangle. There are two options to do so. First, let's select both my text and my rectangle, and we're going to use the Boolean options here on top. If they're not visible, you can click anywhere in a empty space of your toolbar and then choose to customize the toolbar and add them from here. So with this Boolean option here, we're going to choose subtract. And as you can see now, my text has become transparent and I can see my background through it, and I kept my rectangle. But the downside here is, as you can see in my layers window here, my text layer has disappeared. So this one isn't editable afterwards. Let's Ctrl-Command-Z to undo this. And then the other option you have is just selecting your text layer, the one on top here. And then we're going to choose, instead of a normal mode, we're going to choose the erase mode completely at the bottom here. The only downside here is my text is editable, but now it erases also my background. To make sure that it only erases the rectangle, I'm going to select both my rectangle and my text, and then press Ctrl-Command-G to make a group of them. Now my text and rectangle are in a group. I can see through my text, but my text is also still editable. I still have my text layer. So I can double click here and I can change it. So it's still completely editable. You can change it around. You can even change your font if you want to. Make it bigger or smaller. So that's the non-destructive option to make your texts transparent. And then the other thing I want to show you is creating a text with an outline. So let's first hide this group here and take my other text I had ready. With this text selected, if you want to have a text that is just outlined and doesn't have a fill, here in the color option, you have this stroke and fill. And if I select my text, you can see that my fill has been set and my stroke doesn't exist. I can click this button here, this arrow, to switch it up. So now I have no fill and I have a stroke. You can also click the stroke here or go to the stroke option here to edit some things, and then in the color, and you double click the stroke, you can change the color if you want to. But that's how you can easily create a transparent text and an outline text in Affinity 3. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.